In this quick guide, we're setting up the backbone of your transactions, connecting a payment gateway with Preno. In Preno, you have a choice between two payment gateways, Stripe or Windcave, each with its own setup pace and benefits. Stripe offers a speedy setup, ideal for those looking to get things moving quickly. Windcave, on the other hand, may take a little bit longer to set up, but is just as effective once it's up and running. Before choosing a payment gateway, visit their websites to compare fees and payment schedules. Select the gateway that aligns with your property's needs. Once you've made your choice, connecting is super straightforward. This integration allows you to securely capture and store credit card details within Preno as well. This is particularly handy for post-checkout charges, such as covering any damages caused while a guest was staying, allowing you to charge the stored card directly through Preno. Alternatively, if a full payment gateway doesn't fit your needs, our Reveal Stored Cards feature might be the right choice. It securely captures card details, which you can then use with your terminal. Each method ensures payments are seamless and secure. If you're considering Reveal Stored Cards option, or if you have any questions, our team is always ready to assist. And there you have it, safe, secure, and ready to go. Preno is all about making payment processing smooth for you and your guests.